Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to find the sum of the first n positive integers using while loop. So given the value of n, so you have to find the sum of the first n positive integers. So you have to use while loop for the iteration. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a variable n. So this is an integer variable and we have to ask a user to enter the value of n. So let's use input function call, and here let's ask a user to enter the value of n. So let's say enter value of n. Yeah, so once the user enters the value of n, so let's convert these to an integer type using the type conversion. Yeah, so once we get the value of n, so let's take two variables, that is total will store the sum of the first n natural numbers, so that's why I'll be using a total variable. And next variable is a index variable. So in the while loop, so you have to initialize, then check the condition and then increment it. So these three tasks you have to do. So for that I'll be using a index variable. So let's initialize it to 0. Yeah, so now let's take a while loop. While index is less than or equals to the value of n. So this is a condition that I am checking. So then what you have to do is just take total variable, total equals to total plus the index. Yeah, so this is how you try to find the sum of n positive integers. So let's increment the index now. Index equals to index plus 1. Yeah, so this is a complete while loop to increment the index until it reaches the value of n. So yeah, so once the while loop completes, so it will be, that is the sum of first n positive integers will be stored in the total variable. So let's use a print statement to print the sum of first n positive integers is. Let's copy and here let's paste it and let's give colon and let's give the total variable. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the sum of first n positive integers. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the value of n, so let's give 5. So you can see sum of first n positive integers is 15. Let me run it again. So let me give something like 100. So you can see sum of first n positive integers is 5050. Now let me run it again and yeah, so now let's give 10. So you can see sum of first n positive integers is 55. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the sum of first n positive integers using while loop. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.